Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Tiffany Monique Quash, and I am the Qualitative Survey Research Methodologist here at American University and in the Center for Teaching, Research, and Learning. Today, we are going to go ahead and go over how to create an SSO in Qualtrics. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen. Make sure that you are logged in to Qualtrics while doing this. And I'm going to go to create a new project. And then from there, I'm going to click survey and then get started. Let's go ahead and name this project SSO. I'm going to say 2 because I have a couple of projects in there named SSO. I'm going to go ahead and click create project. And the first thing I'm going to do is create a couple of questions. So we can say the first one is, what is your favorite animal? And say bird, cat, and dog. I'm going to create a new question, text using text entry. And then that question can be, how old are you? And then I'm going to create a new question, multiple choice. What is your favorite dessert? And say ice cream, cake. Let's say both. Hope you're not getting hungry while we're doing this. So now what we're going to do, we have our 3 questions here. We're going to go to survey flow. And then from survey flow, we're going to click on add a new element here. And then from there, we're going to click on authenticator. And instead of having contact and authentication type, we're going to click SSO. And then from here, we're going to take this sign or this check mark, we're going to click it off and click on capture respondent identifying information. I'm going to put something right here, but before I do so, I want to go ahead and click on Shahobath. So this is where it gets a little tricky. We're going to click on add embedded data. And right here, what I'm going to do is put in first name. And in the field right here, I actually have another survey that's open. I'm going to copy and paste this information, but I'll read it to you. It's URN colon OID colon 2 period 5 period 4 period 42. And it's going to go right here. I'm going to click the plus sign again. And I'm going to put last name. I guess again, it's being a little tricky with me right now. There we go. Let's hit apply just to save it in there. And now we're going to fill out the embedded data for last name. It's URN colon OID colon 2 period 5 period 4 period 4. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in this form field. And I'm going to add one more embedded data set, and this is for email. And this is URN colon OID colon 0.9.23342.100.100.1.3. I'm going to just copy and paste this into the other field. So there we go. I'm going to hit apply. What we're going to do is we're going to move this above the 3 questions. So it's going to go right there. Double check. And we're going to move this right here where it says the default question box with the 3 questions. We're going to move it, click the move button for it to go right underneath the authentication. And then I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to go back to the survey, click publish. I will tell you, if you go into preview, you may not actually be able to see the authenticator. So what we're going to do is go to distributions. And we're going to click on anonymous link, copy link. And as you can see, we have an SSO. I'll go ahead and click log on so you can see the whole process. And now you can see the survey. So I'll just quickly show you this part of the survey. Not really 21. But for the purposes of this study, I can say that, or this survey. Go ahead and click, and you're all done. So that is how you create an SSO. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding this particular method minutes, please reach out to me, Tiffany, Dr. Tiffany Monique Quash, here at CTRL. Thank you so much for joining our method minutes. Take care.